Did you know that when you sneeze, you're actually unleashing a mini superpower? That's right. Your sneezes can zoom out of your mouth at a whopping 100 miles per hour. That's faster than a race car speeding down the track. Imagine if you could race your sneeze, it would win every time. And here's something even cooler. Those tiny droplets flying out can travel up to 30 feet. So, next time you feel a sneeze coming on, just remember, you're about to unleash some serious speed. Isn't that wild? Sneezing is like your own personal rocket launch.